Another way to enjoy Houghton Lake is by motoring around it. For a number of years, a cruise of classic cars has wound its way around the lake, and it's been part of the Pumpkin Run Car Show.
Well, this is our 17th annual show here in Houghton Lake. It's our classic car show and cruise. We offer the cars to come in and register. It's a 2-day show, $20 for them to come in and register. We do our judging and awards on Sunday. This afternoon at 4 o'clock, we'll be having our cruise around the lake, where as many of the cars that would like to can participate in that. So they'll leave out of the parking lot, we'll go all the way around the lake. That's always kind of fun. People line up just like it's a parade route to watch the cars come through. Right, any car, truck, we've had motorcycles, so anybody can bring a vehicle in. Basically, they bring their cars, they park them, put them on display, and then we do the cruise around the lake, and that's it. There's no competition or anything like that at all. We have different categories like best of show. We have 14 judged things such as best interior, best paint, best import, best export, best street rod. So there's different classifications. So we have 2 volunteers that they've handmade the trophies for the last several years, so they're very unique and different. The Best of Show trophy this year is an actual, it has a little CD player on it, and actually shows the movie American Graffiti on it. And last year they did one that had a gas pump on it. I mean, they're very unique. People like to come to this show for the trophies because they are different. So we'll give the car show participants themselves vote on some of those others, like the Best of Show, that type of thing. They get ballots when they register. And if you're coming into Houghton Lake to attend the car show, and if you're looking for more to do, the annual Firemen's Festival is always held up in Roscommon, which is about 14 miles to the north of us. That's always a very nice event, so there's plenty to do throughout Roscommon